Hey everyone, and welcome back to my how-to video series. I hope you enjoyed the first video. If you get a chance, you can check it out. It is right up there. You can check it all out. And let's get into this next one. Before we do, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little thumbs up like button. That way it gets out to more people. And if you want to, you can hit the bell notification, and then that way you'll get notified for any of my future how-to videos. So today I want to show you a little tip that I actually just recently learned on iPhone. And it is how to scan your documents. So we always get that moment where we have to scan a document and send it away to somebody. And if you don't have a scanner at home, you might need to actually run out to go get it scanned, or you have to call somebody to figure out how to scan that document. I want to show you today a nice little easy way to do it on your iPhone. Plus, for you Android users, if you want, you can skip down to the timestamp below here for how to scan your document on an Android. So let's get started with iPhone. First of all, you want to open up your Notes app. Now your Notes app is already built into your iPhone, so you don't have to download anything. So when you want to open it up, you just click on the little pencil in the bottom corner here. Once you click on that, you can click on the camera icon and choose Scan Documents. Position the document the best you can, but don't worry too much about how you have it positioned, because after you scan it, you can adjust the corners and it'll flatten out the image for you. You can keep doing this if you have multiple pages. It'll scan each page into a group for you, and you don't have to worry about reordering them after the fact. So once you're done, you can hit the Save button in the bottom right, and then you'll have them all saved as a PDF in your notes. Now, to share them, just click the three dots in the top right, click Send a Copy, choose who you want to send it to, and then voila, it's all sent. You also now have them all saved in your Notes app. So if you ever have to refer back to them or go back to what you want, you can actually name the document in your Notes app, and it's a quick, easy search for that document if you need to look it back up. Now for you Android users, and iPhone users can use this one too. So if you're on an iPhone and you'd rather use this one, you can try this one out too. It's one of the easiest, and it's actually one of the top free apps for scanning documents. It's called Adobe Scan. It is free to use as well, and it's very easy. First, you download the app. And then when you open the app, ensure you give it all the permissions necessary to save the documents to your phone. Now all you have to do is click on the photo icon, choose what you're scanning again, and scan as many as you want once again. Once you're done all your scanning, you can click the photos in the bottom right, crop them, and reorder them, and so on. Once you're happy with them, you can click the Save PDF in the top right, and then you can share it out using any of the share buttons inside that scan. So using your phone for scanning things like documents will make things a lot easier for you. You don't have to run around to find a scanner. You don't have to worry about how the scan will look, because you'll see it right away. And it's super easy to share. You just click the share buttons and you can email it, text it, whichever way you want to send it. Both of these apps create a professional PDF format, and it's super easy for anybody that gets them to open them up and utilize them. Thanks for checking out my video on how to scan your documents. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. And again, if you can hit the thumbs up button, it'll get to more people. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see some other videos, check out our 2 Saturday with the Stuarts videos here. They're more entertainment videos from our vlog. Have a great day, and see you on the next how-to video.